Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast and you
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all this beautiful wig from Rpgshow hair. Y'all know that I basically always work with them. I love them, and this is the reason why. The quality of this wig was so amazing. So they sent me this shoulder length, middle part layered, soft wavy Auburn brown wig. And y'all, first of all, it's perfect wig for fall. The color is just beautiful. I believe it paired so well with my skin tone. I really just love this wig, and like the structure, like they really put effort and quality and like time into their wigs. Like this wig was so amazing. The hair felt like very expensive hair. Look at the body on this wig. It just felt like silk. Like literally me running my hands through this, it felt like this hair cost no less than like $1,000. Like the wig, like it just felt so expensive. So let me just start off by saying this is a glueless wig. You do not have to apply glue to it. It is a frontal as well, a 13x6 frontal. So it's glueless. It comes with an elastic band already installed. You can adjust it. So yeah, if you're one of those girls that don't like glue like me, this is the wig for you. The knots, y'all saw the knots when I showed the close-up of the lace. Invisible, you didn't see them. And they also come with these little like real scalp tape things you can apply. I've shown them in previous videos before. I don't know if I did them with Rpgshow hair, but they're like these little things you place on the part to kind of conceal and make it look like it's your scalp underneath. Also, the upgraded pre-plucked hairline. Look at the hairline. Y'all can see it right here. I did not pluck that. It came out of the box like that. And let me just say, I did take this wig straight out of the box. So this is what you get straight out of the box. And the free parting just makes it even more better. I love how it goes back 6 inches because I just feel like 6 inches is very realistic for a part whose real part stops at 4 inches. I don't know. Maybe that's your style, but I believe a 6-inch part is just the standard. It just should be standard for all wigs. I don't believe I mentioned the length, but this is a 16-inch wig and 200% density. This wig was just perfect. Like I just loved how it's glueless. I love the length. I love the color. I love the density. It's just a ready to go, easy install wig. You don't need baby hair either. You know, baby hair, let me just say it. I don't like baby hair in wigs. It just takes away from the naturalness that a wig can give you. Like when you have those baby hairs slicked down to your eyebrows, it just takes away from it. Like I just love a good, sleek, no baby hair, glueless wig install that just... This just eats. This is just like fall ready. Like it made me want to go outside and play in the leaves. Like I love this wig. I really loved it. Just look at the body. So I'm just going in with my curling iron and kind of bumping the ends a little bit, just kind of to, you know, refresh the little bumps that I'm pretty sure it already had before it was put in the box. So yeah, I'm just doing that, and that was literally it. You don't have to do this either. I just did it just because I wanted to you know, do a little something extra. But y'all, this wig, and I normally don't like color on me. Like I love a black wig, like not natural brown, black. I love a black wig, but this is so pretty, and it just got me in the mood for fall. And yeah, she eats. So I'm gonna have everything linked down below in the description box for you guys. Also, let me say Black Friday is coming soon. Rpgshow is gonna have the biggest discounts and flash sales offered in November, so y'all be sure to keep an eye out on the Rpgshow website. If you want to snag you a wig for a great price, keep an eye out on the website. I'm telling you, you need one of these wigs, and I'm not just saying that just because. No, like literally, these wigs are top notch, amazing. So y'all check them out. Check out the website. Keep an eye out for Black Friday sales. Y'all know Black Friday is coming up. I love a good Black Friday deal, so I know y'all will too. So keep an eye out, okay? So like I said, everything in the description box below, the direct link to this wig. Please check it out. Also, their website is full of more affordable wigs that you can get. This isn't the only one. There's more where that came from, okay? The quality is always there. I'm telling you, invest in a good wig that will last you so you don't have to keep buying all this hair every month. Invest in quality hair, y'all. Please. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not. It will mean so much to me. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Just look at the hair. Look at it. Look at it. It's, y'all, this is so beautiful. Like, I can't get over it. I might glue this wig down. I don't glue wigs down anymore, but I might glue her down and keep her on for a couple days, okay? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I gotta go to bed. It's late at night, 1 in the morning. So yeah. Oh, and I had to change my shirt so y'all could really see. So y'all could really see the color and everything. Because that black, it was kind of blending in. But yeah, let me go. Look at the hairline. Look at the hairline. Let me go, y'all. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.